My name is Shivashakti Balan. I am a father of a little girl who is struggling to sit even 20 minutes for her online class and husband to a typical Indian woman. I am a professor turned innovator and become digital coach now. Friend, today I want to share a story about friends. Ram and Arjun were his friends. They were living in a remote village. They were struggling to run their life every day. Not only them, most of them in that village were struggling to lead their day to day life. This is the situation in that village. So these friends decided to go out and search for a job. With this decision, they left their village and they started searching job. They could not able to find a job. Even they went and roamed nearby village and the town. The result was zero. They tried hard and the days were goes, but they could not able to find a single job for them which feed them their food. They become very tired. With this tiredness, they were walking or they were crossing a hill to reach the another village with the hope that they will get job there. While crossing the hill, they heard a crying sound. They were searching here and there. Finally, they could able to find a old lady was crying behind the stone. When Ram went and asked the lady for the reason, she replied that she is from the nearby village. She was trying to go to the river nearby to take water from there. The family members in her home were waiting for this lady to come with water. Due to her poor health, she could not able to walk. But the river is almost 15 kilometers from that place. That is the reason she was crying. These friends decided to help that lady. So they took the pot from the lady and went to the river, filled that with water and returned that back to that lady. The happy lady happily gave some money to them and went to her home. These people got an idea at that point of time. Why can't we make this as their profession? With this idea, they approached so many people in their village and they got lot of customers. It made their life a smooth one. Every day it becomes their routine. They used to travel between village and the river and brings water and satisfy many people in that village. Because of their service, they got lot of money. Their life goes like this. One day, Ram suddenly got an idea. Instead of walking between the river and village, why can't we construct a pipeline through which we can bring water to the village from the river? He shared this idea to his friend, but Arjun scolded that fellow with laugh. Are you stupid to invest money in this? You are not only going to invest money, you are also going to invest your energy. You will lose your energy. Instead of wasting the time, if you travel between the village and river, we could be able to earn a little more money. So I am not ready to join with you. I am not going to accept your plan. Like this, he said and went off. But Ram was running with the same idea for next 2-3 days. And finally, he decided to construct the pipeline. So the next day onwards, first 2-3 times he goes to rivers and come back and earn some money. Then the remaining time he started constructing the pipeline. Whereas Arjun utilized that time as well as his customer for him. He was very happy. These days continues. Same work Ram was repeating and finally he completed his pipeline construction. Once it's over, Ram was very happy. he could be able to sit now without even take a single step from his home and earn lot of money. He got improve his customer strength. But his friend Arjun keep walking between river and the village. One day Arjun got sick. He could not able to come out from his home. He could be able to gain his health after 2 3 days. By the time, almost all his customer had become Ram's customer. When Arjun approached them, they said they were not interested to come back to him. They were very happy with Ram's service. This is the story. How many of you can relate with this? How many of you can resonate your situation with this? Which character will suit your everyday life? Either Ram or Arjun. Which life do you want to live? Are you willing to live a life like a Ram or Arjun? Decide yourself. It's your life. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.